Market Insights, unveiling 4 key factors what is driving sentiment. This Monday morning, there are not one but 4 good news. The 4 positive triggers. 1. Weaker than expected US April jobs growth. The US economy added 1,75,000 jobs in April, falling short of the estimated 2,43,000. Friday's US jobs report actually came in cooler than expected, which should ideally leave the door open for a rate cut sooner than later. Probably, the interest rate cut in the US should happen in September. 2. Wall Street surges on reports of Apple Inc. $110 billion stock repurchase plan. The amazing Apple stock buyback should ideally keep the bears across the globe at bay. 3. The US 10-year Treasury sunk to the 4.47% mark as investors are positioning for 2 cuts this year, compared to earlier expectations of only 1 rate cut. 4. WTI oil prices tumbled 7% in the week gone by amidst poor macroeconomic outlook in China. Now, to Dalal Street's biggest headlines. Market bears see Q4 India corporate earnings as inconsistent and uninspiring. The FIIs camped too are unimpressed amidst lackluster Q4 from Reliance, Persistent Systems, TCS, Wipro, Infy, Adani Enterprises, Bajaj Finance, IndusInd Bank, HUL, and even HDFC Bank, which had ticked all the right boxes in Q4. Bottom line, the optimism at Dalal Street is likely to prevail on backdrop of ongoing pre-election rally. Investors are actually hoping or expecting continuation of the current regime in the general elections. So, all bullish eyes on Nifty capturing psychological 23,000 mark with an interweek perspective. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FII sold shares to the tune of Rs 2392 crores. DIIs, however, were net buyers to the tune of Rs 691 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive consolidation after Friday's steel fall. F&O month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 23,000 zone. India VIX has jumped 33.8% in the week gone by to 14.61, the highest closing level since the beginning of March. Rising VIX could dent bulls' enthusiasm. Nifty PCR, 30th May, is at 1.30. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th May, is at 0.97. Nifty outlook, after a positive start, an up and down session is quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 2476. Support, 22,400 to 22,300. Resistance, 22,600 to 22,700. Range, 22,400 to 22,700. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 48,924. Support, 48,700 to 48,500. Resistance, 49,300 to 49,500. Range, 48,700 to 49,500. Bias, sideways to bullish. Our call of the day suggests Nifty will be in risk-on mode as long as the Fed maintains an easing bias and Nifty holds above 22,137 mark. The third phase of voting in the elections begins on 7th May. Corporate India's Q4 results to trickle in. Godrej Consumer Product, CG Power, Indian, Lupin, Marico, 6th May. Century Textile, Chambal Fertilizer, Delta Corp, Dr. Reddy's Lab, IDFC, IRB, Pidilite, SRF, UBL, Voltas, 7th May. Kotak Mahindra Bank Q4 results, profit jumps 18% to 4,133 crore rupees, NII hike 13%.